Hello, now today again I will discuss the derivation of equation of motion by graphical methods. Now here we will discuss the equation for position time relation. It is the second equation of motion. This one's where s is equal to ut plus half at square, and s is the distance traveled by the object. So now in this equations we will see the position time relation in these equations. Now suppose object or a body is moving along a straight line with uniform acceleration, and the time 0, when the time 0, its initial velocity is u. Now after time t, its velocity will be v, and now we have to suppose that it is a covered s distance in time t. Now we have to find out the distance of the object, the total distance of the object. So we already discussed in previous videos that for the finding out the distance or displacement of the object, we have to find out the area of enclosed by the velocity time graph and by the time axis. So now we have to find out the area of this ones. So firstly we have to find out the area of this triangle and area of this rectangle. So now again we will find out the distance of the object when it's travel from point A to point B. The distance traveled by the object is equal to the triangle, the area of triangle, A B D, A B D, plus area of rectangle A D C O, A D C O. You can write like this one: area of rectangle A O C D, A O C D. The total distance traveled by the object from the position A to B in time t will be the area of this triangle A B D and area of rectangle A O C D. So now here the area of triangle ABD equals to half base and perpendicular. So now here area of this triangle will be AD into DB, AD into DB plus area of this rectangle, this one's AO into OC, OC. Now half into AD, AD, and AD equals to OC, AD equals to OC, and OC equals to time t. So AD equals to OC, you can write, into DB, 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 DB equals to BC minus DC. So now here DB equals to BC minus DC, and BC equals to DC equals to AO, DC equals to AO. So you can write here DC equals to DC, BD equals to BC minus OA. So you can write here BC minus OA. You can write here BD or BD. Okay. Plus AO and AO equals to V. AO equals to U, initial velocity U. So now AO equals to U plus OC equals to time t. So now here into time t, U into t. Then again we put the value OC. Oh, here OC equals to t. OC equals to t. So here we will put t. And BC equals to V. VC equals to V. So now in this way it will be V minus OA. OA equals to U. OA equals to U. So this was U plus U into T. Now see here, half into T. V minus U. So here see the first equation. The first equation already we have discussed. So V is equal to U plus AT. Or you can write here V minus U equals to AT. So AT equals to V minus U, or V minus U equals to AT. So you can put here, because we know that V minus U equals to AT. So we will put instead of V minus U, AT. It's equals to AT plus UT. Now see, this one is the distance denoted by S equals to here half T AT square plus UT, or you can write here S is equal to UT plus half AT square. UT plus half AT square. This is the equation of the motion, which is equation for the position time relations. So for the finding out the distance, we can use this equation, second equations, which is S equals to UT plus half AT square. Thank you.